There's no guarantee you won't get sick, but proper hand washing has been proven to greatly reduce your chance of getting a cold, the flu, and other similar viruses. Germs can spread to the hands by sneezing, coughing, or rubbing your eyes. But they can also be spread by the many items you touched today, ranging from your cell phone to the toilet. Then those germs can be transferred to other family members or coworkers. How do you keep your hands from becoming these germ-transferring tools? Washing your hands. Generally, you should wash your hands before, during, and after preparing food, before serving or eating food, before and after treating a cut or wound, after using the toilet, after blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing, after touching garbage. Also, if you are sick, have the flu, or are coughing or sneezing, or are around a sick individual, you should wash your hands more frequently. Hold your hands under warm running water for a few seconds. When they are thoroughly wet, lather up with soap. Rub your hands together and make sure you scrub all over. Do this for at least 20 seconds. Then rinse your hands under running water, making sure your fingers point downward into the sink. Now dry your hands either using a clean towel or hand dryer. Pause before using your hands. Do you need to wash them? Follow these tips and do your best to avoid illness by washing your hands and helping prevent the spread of germs.